After a lengthy 3 weeks in a Floyd County courtroom, a jury finding Isaiah Page guilty of the murder of 18-year-old Bryce Gerlach. Gerlach was killed. 2 others were shot at Harvest Homecoming back in 2024 on what was described as a chaotic scene in the middle of a family-friendly event. We want to go now to Wave News reporter Logan Perrone. Logan's been covering this trial for us for weeks now. And Logan, you have the developments that led to the jury's verdict.
Yeah, well, again, this is a unanimous verdict as well on 4 different charges. We got murder, attempted murder, aggravated battery, and criminal recklessness. And the verdict comes after 12 days of testimony and evidence, more than 24 witnesses, more than 4 hours of deliberation, and more than a year of waiting. Since the night 18-year-old Bryce Gerlach was killed and 2 others were shot during Harvest Homecoming in 2024, prosecutor Chris Lane promised accountability.
We've spent the last 16 months pursuing justice, and we're so thankful that on this long road we've come to the end.
After nearly 3 weeks, a jury found Isaiah Page guilty of killing Gerlach.
From a technical and evidentiary standpoint, it was a tough case. It really was.
Page is the only suspect in the shooting charged with direct murder, and prosecutors built a case of circumstantial evidence pointing to him. Witnesses placed Page at the upper fountain, the same area 40 caliber shell casings were found, matching notes in his phone saying he had a 40 caliber weapon and fired a gun at Harvest.
The jury is the final determinant of the law.
Defense attorneys for Page stuck by their original argument, saying there was simply not enough evidence to convict. No DNA or photo video connects Page to the shooting, and they argued the investigation left questions unanswered, including the possibility of another or unidentified shooters.
It was absolutely chaotic and chaos going on in that area, we just were trying to convey that there's more than one option here with respect to how Mr. Gerlach died.
After the verdict, the jury found Page guilty of 2 enhancement charges, one for using a firearm and another for criminal organization activity. He faces the possibility of more than 100 years behind bars. Still, the events of that chaotic October night will forever impact the Floyd County community.
We're not going to stand for this. We're going to hold this community safe and sacred.
Now, Page will be the 13th person sentenced in this shooting. 12 others took plea deals. He's scheduled to be sentenced on April 30th. Logan Perrone, Wave.